When they first built the place, because I live local, it was always somewhere I wanted to be a part of. It is a highlight of my career. Whoever asks me, where do you work now? I work for JLR and, feel proud to get out of bed every morning.
I worked on aircraft before.
I've done an art degree.
I did 30 years of FMCG.
Went to a careers event and saw the JLR stand when they were showcasing the robots and everything like that was really intrigued me.
Seen this role come up on LinkedIn and I didn't really know much about electrification, besides that it's innovative, it's new, and obviously JLR would have cutting edge technology, and that's what excited me the most.
Every day is different. That's what keeps the job interesting. The amount of courses have been, the training programs they've got.
With electrification, it's extremely fascinating for me.
Everything's kind of starting at the same time, so everybody's at the same level, everybody's learning together.
One of the requirements to work in a maintenance technician role is you need a NVQ level 3 in an engineering discipline.
The site itself is beautiful.
There's so much light, it's open, there's so much air.
It's really clean, really welcoming.
When I tell my friends I work at a car factory, they think like the walls covered in smog and dirt and grime.
It still feels like it's built yesterday.
JLR have a lot of things that benefit us as employees. The pension scheme is really good with JLR, they match it at 10%. And then also we have an Invest for You, which is activities and stuff you can do.
And you can use them every year. I've actually used that before to learn how to ski.
So they have like a family day. I brought my daughter last time and then she's constantly asking when we're going to go back to see Daddy's work.
The pay is obviously very good.
The opportunity to climb the ladder, I've never had it on this scale before. For anybody who's thinking of applying, go for it. You won't regret it, you'll love it. You will not look back, guaranteed.